From News 5, here's your top stories and Power of 5 weather. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.
All right, let's take a look at today's top stories. Ohio Governor Mike DeWine announcing $775 million in cuts in state spending to offset the loss of tax revenue because of the coronavirus crisis. Those cuts include $210 million to Medicaid, $300 million in K-12 foundation payment reductions, $55 million in other education items, $110 million in higher education, $100 million to other agencies as well. For now, the state will not dig into its rainy day fund to make up for that budget shortfall.
This rain is not a passing spring shower. We don't really know, but could be a long, cold, lingering storm. We should not use that rainy day funding until we have to.
Governor DeWine has also asked members of his cabinet to cut up to 20% of their department spending. He also froze most new hires, contracts, and travel. Meanwhile, Ohio health officials announced 495 new cases of coronavirus today, bringing the total number to 20,969. The state's death toll now stands at 1,135 after another 79 deaths were reported in just the last 24 hours. The University of Akron is looking to cut 6 of its 11 colleges to offset nearly $70 million in losses from this crisis. School President Gary Miller didn't reveal which colleges would be affected, but the plan also includes cuts to the athletics budget. Governor DeWine says we will learn more about how Ohio salons, restaurants, and daycares could reopen Thursday. Meanwhile, retailers are getting ready to let customers back in next Tuesday. That includes Great Lakes Mall. There's a plan to disinfect and clean several times a day there, keep limited hours, and maintain safe occupancy levels for social distancing. But shoppers are being asked to do their part as well. The mall's code of conduct is being expanded to include a face mask recommendation, also asking people to avoid gathering in groups and follow each individual store's coronavirus policies. Let's talk weather. Let's get to Mark. Hi.
All righty, here we go. It's going to be a chilly overnight with lows in the 40s. Tomorrow it's a morning shower giving way to some sun for the afternoon. Our highs only in the lower 50s, but at least you can send the kids outside as long as they're dressed warmly. Now, the 7-day, wow, 60 Thursday. There's some bright light here with some sun, but then look, 45 with rain mixing with wet snow on Friday.
For the latest news and weather, go to news5cleveland.com or open the News 5 app. Sponsored by Akron Children's Hospital.